We're here today in Llandudno town centre, handing out leaflets and speaking to people. We've got 5 party members here, and we're doing a great job of getting out and speaking to people, hearing their concerns and campaigning for the upcoming election. It's become very clear over the past few weeks that this election is actually a fight between far-right English nationalism and a more socialist and fair future. And we're offering up here in Bangor Gomiwnyddol and in Cardiff Penarth an option for people to vote in a way that isn't for nationalism. It's a vote for socialism and a progressive movement that is to unite the left instead of dividing it. And we're seeing that all over the UK, that Reform UK and their far-right parties like the Heritage Party, Restore Britain, are not bringing anything creative. They're not bringing anything to improve the quality of life for the people in the areas that they're standing, but a new form of division. They're not just bringing the financial division, no, they're bringing the class division, the race division, and that's what they're seeking to do. We've heard talk of remigration, the deportation of millions, and we're not willing to accept it. We're not willing to stand for it. We at the Communist Party stand for acceptance, for welcoming in people who are fleeing unimaginable horrors and oppression, and welcoming them in to become constructive parts of our society. So on the 7th of May, if you live in the Bangor Coombe constituency of North Wales, please vote for the Communist Party and for me, Jaime Fitter. Thank you. Diolch.